Labour as a percentage of sales. All retailers tend to monitor labour. It's such a critical issue in the success of your business. Get the labour wrong and your bottom line suffers. So in the workbook we show you how to work out the percentage of labour in your business, and we give you a benchmark for you to work on. Now it can be higher or lower than that benchmark. Now it's important when you look at labour, because in self-service businesses the labour tends to be lower as a percentage of sales. In a full-service business the labour bill is higher, so the percentage depends on the style of retailing you want to establish with your consumer. Most garden centres would argue they need to provide a full service package, so that figures will be higher than in a self-service hardware type retail store. So it's important that we get this figure and look and analyse how we can improve the business when we've got it against the benchmarking. When you've looked at your labour as a percentage of sales, your figure may be lower than the benchmark figure for the country. Then you've got to start asking yourself some serious questions. The first thing you need to look at is your image. Is what you're setting out as your image, is it correct for the customer base that you're serving? Secondly, is the level of service you're providing the right level for the customer base? There's one real way of finding out, and that is to employ a mystery shop organisation and do a mystery shop audit on your business. It's good to get the customer's perspective of what you're trying to achieve rather than what we think we're achieving as business owners. The real challenge comes if your labour as a percentage of sales is higher than the benchmark figure. You've then got to ask yourself some serious questions in your business. Are you over-servicing the customer? Now what I mean by that is, are the team spending too much time with each customer and neglecting some of the people? At the same time, are the team trained in serving effectively? Is the management system correct? Are you overstaffed? Well, you may want to ask yourself, are you recruiting the right type of people? Remember, we're in the personality industry. We need to recruit for personality. Then we need to train people for knowledge. Then we need to empower them so they can make decisions, and then the team should be working effectively in your organisation. If you get your labour as a percentage of sales wrong, it's the bottom line that suffers. So this is one you really need to monitor and keep monitoring. I would be reviewing it at least every 3 months to make sure I'm on the right target. Okay, we've looked at labour as a percentage of sales, but the average sale per customer is one of the most common means of benchmarking used by all styles of retailers. So we need to look at the average sale per customer and see how you are performing against the benchmarking in your part of the world.